Here are 7 things for Mother's Day that won't break the bank and will help your days to be filled with fun. A fun apron is always something you can get for Mother's Day that will help homemaking feel a lot more fresh and fun. Every time I dress up with a cute apron, it causes my days to feel a lot more fun, and every time I catch a glimpse of myself, I get super excited because it is such a cute ensemble and it can be treated kind of like a work uniform, so it lightens up the day and causes it to feel a lot more fun. Another super fun thing you can get for this Mother's Day is a milkmaid dress. These dresses are super duper gorgeous. I feel they look great on everyone, and they're such a super fun dress that you can wear throughout your home or out of it, and it will feel super fun and fantastic. You can wear this the whole entire day and dress it up even more to go outside. There's no need to save your outfits. You can dress up for yourself every single day, and this dress will make it super fun to do that. And speaking of dressing up and fun, another thing that you can get this Mother's Day is house shoes. I super recommend these ones with the hard soles in case of, God forbid, an emergency. You can always wear them outside. They feel super comfortable. I've had them for many years now. They look super good still, and they're still just as comfortable. I don't know about you, but every time I wear house shoes, it literally puts a pep to my step and it causes me to feel a lot more productive. I do have a theory about this. You can help me test it, but I feel a drastic difference from when I do versus I don't wear shoes. However, I don't wear outside shoes inside my home, but these are the perfect compromise. They help you to feel as structured as outside shoes, except you don't get the germs in. But this super does help to make your days a lot more fun and super productive too. Another thing you can get to help you not only to make your days more fun but also a lot more productive is any tracker or printable that will help you to track your progress through your days and your goals. These are always super fun because it feels so good to see your progress down on paper like that. I do have one that you can get for if you're interested. It is super duper affordable, and it is 90 pages of awesome that you can apply to your home today. It is the Messy Homemaker's Guide to a Home that works, and this super duper works. Take it from a not naturally tidy person. These are some of the methods that have helped me get my home from not being able to see the floors till, well, you've seen the rest. The results speak for themselves, and you know I'm all about making things fun. Get your hands on this. You're not gonna want to miss all of the things it has inside. It is a massive deal, and it will help to make your days feel more fun and definitely a lot more productive without the pressure. Another thing you can get for Mother's Day, this has totally changed the game for me, is a rebounder. It is so fun and it has so many benefits, but it is really fun. It actually feels like going to the playground. You get on it for as long or as little as you want. I have gotten every single one of my pennies worth for this. There are tons of fun workouts. You can just bounce on it. It is literally fun, and my boys absolutely love it too. It's fun for the whole family. I'll link them when I purchase down below. These are so super fun, and it's literally the best purchase I've made in the past 2 years, I'm pretty sure. Another thing you can get yourself for Mother's Day that would cause days to feel more fun is a candle. This particular candle lasts super duper long. It smells great, and you don't have to worry about those synthetic things on it, and it is super duper affordable as well. It is super nice to look at, and I just feel super cozy whenever I light this candle. And another thing that you can get yourself for Mother's Day that would super help the days to feel more fun is a diffuser. This diffuser works so well. It is so easy and super duper affordable. You can put any blends of essential oils inside and it will diffuse them so beautifully. So a bonus one, I guess, is get the essential oils if you want to, but they're super reputable, affordable brands like the Now brand that you can get. You don't have to break the bank for that either, but these are just some fun, affordable things that you can get for Mother's Day that will not break the bank, and you will have so much fun with it. But if you want even more fun homemaking videos, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.